guys, we are going out somewhere. तो कहीं आपको भी आज बाहर देखने को मिलेगा. So welcome back to my channel. तो चलिए हम चलते हैं. So ये है हमारा E2O. तो हम कहीं ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जा रहे. Hello guys, show your car to my viewers.
See. The electric car.
And anything good about it?
Yeah, this one will run by current charging. So you can see 66% charge is there. Like your mobile battery, 93 kilometers will go. You're able to see. Yeah. So we have music system, AC, everything in this car. So 1 kilometer, 1 rupee. That is the best part of this.
Okay. Shall we move?
Yeah.
We keep this. Yeah. So yes, today we have Shabrish with us. So he's waiting to take the car and get in. So hello Shabrish.
Hello.
Welcome to
How are
my
you?
vlogs.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸನ್ ಟಾಟಾ ಅದು 250 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 250 ಅದು 15 ಇನ್ನು ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಇನ್ನೂ 23 ಲಕ್ಷದ್ದು ಇದೆ ಅದು 450 ಹುಂಡೈ. We'll go in front of the town lot. Okay guys, we are going in front of WTC World Trade Center. You can see in front of us. Voice edit ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
You talk nicely.
Yeah, full nicely. See, people from out of Bangalore see WTC. Visit here. Next to that we have Orion Mall. And you also have a metro. I don't think you can see in this. Little bit it is there. Metro also. Okay guys, we are almost nearing ISKCON temple. If you have not seen, okay. Now to our left we have ISKCON temple, Bangalore. I think you can see proper. Just right there. Yeah. Radha Krishna Mandir. ಟಾಪ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು. ಅಂದರೆ ರೂಟು 17 kilometers. ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಏನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟೇ ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೈಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ
അവിടെ സിഗ്നൽ നോക്കോ, അത് സിഗ്നൽ കാണിക്കുകയാണോ അവിടെ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ರೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. RTO ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತೈತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಬಿಡಿ ರೈಟ್. ಸಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ರೈಟ್. ಬಿಡು ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ರೀಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಬಿಡಿ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ರೀಸೆಂಟ್ ಆದರೆ ನೋಡು. Alright guys, so we have to travel another 21 kilometers for the destination. After that, again to go back home we need some 23 kilometers. So we have charge of 74 kilometers only. So let's see if we can manage or we'll reach home. Okay, recharging. We'll add up one solar panel. That is better actually.
ಅಲ್ವಾ
It will be
recharge ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಬೇಕು.
One nice panel will put upside.
No need to plug that switch also.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ ಬಿಡಿ, ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೋಲಾರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಇದೆ.
Solar we can add. We should talk to CG bro and do it.
ಹಾ, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
I'm tired.
Yeah, even me too.
तो आज हम कुछ ज़्यादा ही टायर्ड हो गए क्योंकि काम ही कुछ ऐसा था और हो नहीं रहा था और फाइनली जैसे तैसे हो गया और अब हम जा रहे हैं घर और बहुत ज़्यादा भूखे हैं। तो हमने रास्ते में कुछ खाना ऑर्डर कर लिया था, कुछ बुफे ऑर्डर मिला है कुछ ऐसे। तो हम घर जाके इसे अनबॉक्सिंग करेंगे। चलिए देखते हैं इसके अंदर क्या क्या हो सकता है।
Okay guys, we'll go drink coconut water. It's only 10 rupees it seems. So let's
Get
go.
me here itself. Thank you.
This is not 10 rupees.
Then?
This is 35 rupees one. The ones what they have kept small ones are 10 rupees one.
Not that.
So guys, we have reached home finally. The battery was last some 20% was 25 kilometer was remaining. So we have finally reached home. So the time is already 5:15. So we are planning to eat our lunch today. So let's open it. I don't know what exactly is there in this box. There were so many items in the list.
Come close, come close.
Okay, it's okay. Cut it. Okay guys, I think the top we have this is brownie, some brownie. This is gulab jamun.
And this is some sauce, maybe.
This is some sauce for the chicken. This is chutney. This is moong dal. So many sweet, superb. Then we have I don't know. So many is there, and something else is there. Maybe chicken. Maybe biryani is in this. Maybe this is the biryani. I don't know, wait. Parota. Malabar parota. And what is in this? Maybe gravy. This is gravy, I guess. Okay?
Oh, let's open it.
So this is actually for one person, guys, which they give in barbecue nations. One person actually. But we thought, looking at the number of items, we thought one is enough for 3 people. So let's see how much will be sufficient. So in this we have tandoori leg piece. In this, what do we have? 2 types of chicken is there. So this is some sheikh kebab or some reshmi kebab. I don't know the names.
Open that.
What else is there in this? This is
Some prawns and
this is
fish.
prawns. This is fish. Okay, fish. Fish and prawns is there, mummy. What is in this gravy? Yeah.
No, beetroot something.
What about gravy?
Only tandooris are.
Oh, gravy. This is gravy. All these are gravies. 3 type of curries. Okay, guys. We have 1 type of curry here.
Keep on that only. Keep on that only.
Yeah, I'll keep on that only like this. This will stick. Okay, what else? There's 1 more gravy. Some chicken gravy.
Here we have
Salad.
salads.
Oh, egg curry.
Oh, is it?
Yes, egg curry is there. Mummy, you want?
Oh, again we have chicken curry.
Mutton.
Red rice
Mutton,
is
this is a
Mutton.
Oh, this is mutton. Mutton. Okay, so we have one curry, two curry. This is chicken curry. This is veg curry maybe. This is for Rincy, veg curry.
excuse me.
Chicken curry for me. Egg curry for mummy. Mutton for Shabrish. Okay, this is the
We
biryani.
have parathas too.
We have paratha. Brownie.
Okay, take your plate.
Okay, we are. I think
I'll
so
take-
much is enough for one.
You guys need
3
spoon or
person.
something?
Mummy, you want to taste? Come. Huh?
Spoon, man.
No, in hand we eat.
Okay.
To put the rice, we need gravy. So 3 spoons will be. The food is ready. I think this much is enough for one person. We also have rice also. Then we have desserts also. So this is not for one person, guys. Even 3 people can eat this parcel box. இந்த பாருங்க.
Comment, like, subscribe எல்லாம் செய்வாங்க.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. Please do hit that like and also comment in the video how you like the food or the parcel. So take care, bye bye.